Hello everyone. Before our Broadcast India show Mumbai, we have a guest with us, Santosh Kumar Pandit, CEO of Qizar. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, what is Qizar basically?
Qizar actually, when we are starting this company, we have never thought the meaning of the Qizar, but it's a Gulf words, is a Qizar, and we search on the Google, we find this the meaning of the Qizar. Then I got it. One of the kings is passionate of the achieve the target actually. So I thought the name is good actually. So that's the we can put the Qizar name actually, and Qizar is our dream actually. You can just thought, let them, there's a dream kind of things. And Kizar doing, now they are doing the distributions actually. We are the importer actually. We are importing in India around 5 to 6 brands, which we are distributing to the dealer networks actually, and which related to the broadcast, which is related to the podcast, which is related to education, which is related to corporate actually. So that kind of the product we are importing, like AIDA PTZ camera, like Hollyland mics, like OC video switchers, like Yellow Box video switchers, like Gland Sound is commentator box, Quicklink is a commentary box, is a remote commentary device solutions. So this kind of the product we are importing from India, and we are distributing to our dealer network channels actually, and we provide the solution to them actually.
So that sounds really interesting. So what kind of brands you are distributing or you are selling?
The PTZ camera is AIDA brands, is based in US, and they have the POV camera also. That's a specific camera. So particular, you can shoot on the underwaters, or you can shoot particular object. You can shoot particular, characters. So this kind also they have in the camera apart from the PTZ also.
Oh.
And we have the Hollyland brand. Hollyland is very renowned brands, and they have the wireless microphones. That mic you can use into the iPhones, in the Android phones, as well as in the DSLR camera and camcorder also. And they have the wireless talkback system also. So suppose in the outdoor events or outdoor conference kind of things, if the people they wanted to use the talkback system, so they have the wireless talkback system. They have the facility of the noise cancellation facility also. So suppose you are using communication devices in some katha or pravachan kind of thing, there are huge noises. So the cameraman or the producer or director, they are not here to over there the voice to each other actually. So that device what they have the Hollyland, there are a facility of the noise cancellation. So that headphone, either you can use it, so easily you can surface your backgrounds noises, and you can listen properly to each other actually. So that sound good product actually. And they have the Hollyland, they have the video transmitter receiver also. So recently they launched the Pyro series actually. Pyro series is very sound good actually. It's a cover around 350 meters. So take the video without any cable, hassle free. Video you can take into the switches, and you can do the streaming and kind of things. So this kind of the product we are importing in India, and other product like a video switcher we have the like a Yellow Box, like a OC. Yellow Box is a totally 7-inch screen and totally touch screen, and very small, is very portable. So you can put, there are 4 input HDMI over there in the switches. You can switch over there. In fact, you can record over there. You can stream from there. You can stream on the 3 platforms with the switches actually. Either YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you wanted, you can stream it actually. And in fact, you can record it. Either you wanted to put on the stand band or some crawl, you can put it over there actually. So that's kind of the facility as available into the small devices actually. So it's pretty good. And the OC switcher also same kind of thing, but is not touch screen. You have to put on the one TV kind of things for the previewing, the monitoring, and switching over there. So this kind of the product we are importing in India and selling to the dealer network actually.
So that's a wide range of products that you guys are selling.
Yeah.
So basically, on what products and services you guys are mainly into?
Mainly these are the product. This is I'm exclusive in India, so this is my responsibility. I need to give the response. Performance to the OEM actually. Then OEM they can with us actually. Otherwise, there is no meaning of that they are with us actually.
Okay.
So we have to perform to them actually with that product actually.
So that's how really interesting. The thing that you said about the streaming line. That's
Streaming, studio, podcast, and boardrooms. Some setup you wanted to make on a studio kind of things, some podcast kind of things, that we did actually.
So you are talking about the studio that you guys make.
Yeah.
So that's about the streaming line is about that one. So
Yeah,
can
exactly.
you please tell us about the what streaming is line live you have talked about. So what is that basically?
Suppose someone is making the one podcast setups, right?
Yeah.
So podcast, how they can promote to the own podcast services. I mean, the how what their content they are making, how they will promote it. So they promote that content to the, I mean, the social actually. So social be that switcher we have in a facility, that camera we have in a facility. Directly that camera or that switcher you can directly stream to the YouTube or a Facebook and Twitters actually. And wherever suppose you have some cloud facility that you wanted to put on that content over the cloud, that content you can directly stream to the cloud actually. Suppose one temple, there is no manpower who they have an educated guy, they can manage those things. So we put the camera in camera inside also there are a facility of the streaming facility. Through the camera you can directly stream on the 2 and 3 platform. So suppose we can put only the temple on the camera and the people wanted, sir, I don't have any idea about how to operate the camera. So no need to be worried about it. Just camera on and once click you can start to streaming actually. So before setup we can did all the configuration and everything. So whenever the camera on, the camera going to be his own web server actually.
So it's going to be live. It's going to be go on.
Yes.
That sounds really interesting. So sir, when you are exhibiting?
We are participating in a Broadcast India in 17th, 18th or 19th. We are there actually.
And what the location is going to be?
Our stall number H8. Geo Convention Center H8, our booth number.
That sounds great, sir. Sir, when is there any launches or products you are excited about over there?
Yes, I am very much excited about the launches for the two brands. One is AIDA. AIDA, we are especially launching this Broadcast India for POV camera. And second we launched the Glyph hard drive actually. Glyph is especially for the storage drives. Is connected through Type C cable or the Thunderbolt cable actually. There's two options is over there actually, and that is with the SSD base and the hard drive base. So these two brands and the Hollyland also. Hollyland, they launches the new intercom system that call for the SolidCom SC model, and they launches the Pyro S and Pyro 7 combo actually. That's especially used for the film people and the productions people actually. That product also we are launching over there actually.
Nice. So that's going to be for the film based people.
Film based people, yeah, exactly.
Nice. So are you guys distribute these kind of products to colleges and schools also?
Yes, of course.
Oh, nice.
Lot of people, they are using our podcast mic into the colleges and in school, and in fact we are making lot of studio into the college actually.
Okay, that's
so we are getting the good order from the schools and colleges. We are going over there because colleges and school, they don't want to go with the expend such a huge amount either until unless they don't have in the government colleges and government schools actually. But which is the private schools and the private colleges, they are not going to expend so much expenses over there. So we are making a small budget, small setups, and it's good actually. So they wanted we just educate to our student for that how to operate the camera, how to operate to the switches, how to stream to the content. So we give them the solution to them and make the setups also.
Nice, sir. So you do setups for new YouTube channels, for new YouTube comers and new people in the industry. So do you guys also do marketing for them or for the newcomers?
Yes, we are providing to promoting his channel over the the good the OTT platforms. We are taking the cloud for the Akamai. We taking the space from the Akamai, and we take his channel over the Akamai, and we distributing on multiple platforms like a Jio, like a Tata Play, like Daily Hunt, like a eBaba, like a Cimaros. Those kind of the platform we are promoting those channels over there, and they're getting the good response from the market actually. So whoever there is into the India, they are watching whatever the place they are. So every people they are able to monitor on the channel the live in the 24/7.
That sounds really interesting because newcomers don't have the platform to do marketing also. You guys have marketing.
Exactly.
So anything you would like to say our audience who wants to join your team or company for marketing
I
purpose?
requested to the audience they should come to our booth actually, and we giving the live demonstration to the all which we are discussing here actually, because we are put up over there all the camera in the stalls. We put up this Hollyland all the products. We put up the switches, and especially I'll call to the OTT guys also who they are standing to our booth, and they explaining about the solutions actually. So suppose if people they wanted to promote own channel over the like a TV, like a Chinese TVs, Oppo's, like Samsung, LG, they wanted. So that channel also come into the that TV app also. So suppose we put the own channel the the TV apps. So suppose people they wanted to watch those channels, they're just going to the apps and download that channel, and they can start with the monitoring actually.
Nice,
So
sir.
this kind of a solution we are displaying in Broadcast India, booth number H8. So I requested to all the people they should come over there, and we can see the live demonstrations over there actually.
Sir, anything you would like to say to the visitors of Broadcast India show?
Yes, I wanted to say to the visitors, and requested to them they should come over there, so they got the more informations to. In fact, not our booth only, because it's a very big the exhibition for the all the broadcaster, for the all startup who they are starting to the YouTube kind of thing solutions and those kind of things. So they get the solution over there actually. So I requested to they should come over there, and they can enjoy. I think so they are 100% they can enjoy the technology over there.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your valuable time, and it was a great session with you, great interview with you. I have learned a lot of things with you, that how you can do marketing also, doing the setup and all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. And I never expected. I thought something kind of the interview, but you are doing very well actually.
Thank you,
So
sir.
thank you very much.